Here is a magical journey through nature's wonders. Scene 1. Sunrise in the forest. Every morning nature awakens with peace. The light touches the leaves and the forest breathes again. Scene 2. Flowing river and wildlife. Rivers carry life, flowing quietly with wisdom. Birds sing their morning song and the earth listens. Scene 3. Magical trees and wind. In the heart of the forest, magic lives in every tree. The wind whispers stories of life, love, and balance. Scene 4. Flowers and butterflies. Beauty blooms in silence. Even the smallest flower holds the power of wonder. Don't forget to like and share for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Look at the colorful flowers and the butterflies moving in slow motion. Scene 5. Sunset and peace. As the day ends, peace returns. Nature reminds us to slow down, to breathe, to be one with the world. I hope you enjoyed this journey. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next.